I never thought I'd say this, but gardening is about to get wild in 2025. As we step into this new era of green thumbs, the world of plants is buzzing with innovation, sustainability, and a whole lot of creativity. You know, whether you're a seasoned grower or just someone who likes to look at pretty flowers. This year's trends are going to change the way you think about your backyard. So let's dig in and see what's sprouting up. First up, we've got living fences. You know how fences are usually just, well, boring? Not anymore. In 2025, people are ditching the wood and metal for hedges, shrubs, and climbing plants. It turns out these green barriers are like the Swiss Army knives of the garden world. They give you privacy, attract pollinators, and even help cool down urban areas. Now, gardens aren't just for looking at anymore. Floral foraging is taking off faster than a bee in a field of lavender. People are heading out to collect wildflowers, branches, and berries to make their own home decor. It's like going grocery shopping, but instead of food, you're picking up nature's bling. And the best part, the more imperfect, the better. If you thought gardening was all about roses and daisies, think again. Whimsical plants are the new cool kids on the block. We're talking bioluminescent petunias that glow in the dark and succulents that look like they're from another planet. It's like someone took a mad scientist and let them loose in a greenhouse. The lived-in garden look is all the rage. It's like the bedhead of the plant world, messy, but in a cool way. People are letting their gardens grow wild and free with mature trees and dense greenery. This trend is all about working with nature instead of trying to tame it. And speaking of wild, chaos gardening is becoming a thing. It's like throwing a plant party and inviting everyone. Wildflowers, native species, you name it. The result? A colorful, unstructured space that's a paradise for pollinators. As you might expect, forest gardens are joining the fun too. Imagine a garden that looks like a forest but produces food. These mini ecosystems layer trees, shrubs, and ground covers, creating a productive and environmentally friendly space right in your backyard. So there you have it, the wild world of gardening in 2025. From living fences to glowing flowers, it's clear that gardens are becoming more than just a hobby. They're a way to express yourself and connect with nature. Whether you're into foraging, forest gardens, or just letting your plants do their own thing, there's something for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and start growing the future.